Good morning, students. Today it is class number 2 on same topic, sections of solids. In the last class, we have studied up to section plane perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Now we will take up second case. It is reverse of first one. That is section plane perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Okay. So second case is section plane is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. Okay. So here you can see parallel to VP means on VP you get true shape of the section. So let me explain this by drawing the quadrant system, first angle projection method. So this is vertical plane on which we can see front view. This is horizontal plane on which we can see top view. So vertical plane, front view, horizontal plane, top view. XY line. This is the direction of rotating the HP. Now let me draw the section plane as per this condition, perpendicular to HP, parallel to VP. So it is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So this is the section plane which is perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. As the section plane is parallel to VP, we can see the section in front view. That means front view is in section. So section plane is denoted by AA. This is section plane. Okay. When the object is cut by a section plane perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, so what happens? Front view will be in section. Okay. And its projection, if you see the section plane from top, it looks like a line. You can see this as a line on top view, and that line is always parallel to XY line. So let me draw its projection on HP. So this is section plane should be drawn by a dash dot line. First dash and last dash should be thick. These are the arrowheads on both ends. So meaning of this is you have to see the object from front. Okay, and this section plane is always parallel to XY line. Clear? How come we get the section in front view? So this is the object. This is the object. If we cut the section plane, keeping the section plane parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP, so cut it like this. Cut it like this. So now remove this portion. Which portion you have to remove? For this, here is the observer, and this is section plane. The portion between the observer and the section plane, that means this one, front portion should be removed out. The portion between the section plane and the observer is assumed to be removed. Okay. Now let me draw the projections of this. This is XY line, right VP and HP, front view and top view. When the object is cut by a section plane parallel to VP means front view is in section and its projection on other plane is a line, and this line is parallel to XY line always. So this is section plane AA. First dash and last dash should be thick. Clear? So these are the projections of this. Now we'll take up some problems on these cases. Note down the problem. If you have paper and pen, I will dictate the problem. I write down the problem on the board so that you too can note down simultaneously. Okay? Note down the problem. So problems. Problem number 1. Write down. A hexagonal pyramid, a hexagonal pyramid, comma, side of base is 25 mm, comma, axis length is 65 mm. Okay, comma, rests with its base on HP, and one of the edges of its base is perpendicular, not perpendicular, it is parallel, to VP. Okay, so this, up to here you have to draw front view and top view of a given solid. How to draw the hexagon in the top view? Keeping one side parallel to VP. So this way, this is XY line. You keep one side parallel to, this is VP, parallel to VP. Like this you have to draw the hexagon, because one base edge is parallel to VP. Okay. It is cut by a section plane. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP, and passing through the axis, at a point 30 mm above the base. Okay, to stop, draw the front view and sectional top view. This is the question. So let me read out the question once again. A hexagonal pyramid, comma, side of base 25 mm, comma, axis length 65 mm, comma, rests with its base on HP, and one of the edges of its base is parallel to VP. Full stop. It is cut by a section plane perpendicular